In this video we'll compare the Roku Streaming Stick 4K against the Fire Stick 4K Max. So let's see the differences and similarities between these two models. The video specs of both of them are pretty similar. The only difference is that the Fire Stick has HLG. This is not very important since HDR10 Plus is better than that. Comparing the audio specs, the Fire Stick is a clear winner, Dolby Atmos being one of the major differences. If you have a soundbar or speakers compatible with this format, this is very compelling. Both the Roku and the Fire Stick have voice control. The difference here is that with the Roku you can control TV stuff such as searching for a YouTube video. While with the Fire Stick you also have Alexa, which can answer questions about the weather or control your smart home. Another difference is in hands-free control. With the Roku you need to upgrade to the 4K Plus to have this feature, while with the Fire Stick, if you have an Alexa speaker around, you can control your Fire Stick TV right from there without touching the remote control. Talking about the remote, here are both of them. There are non-major differences here. A feature that only the Roku has is the compatibility with Google Play Movies. You won't be able to install this app giving access to millions of movies on your Fire Stick TV. One thing that the Roku can't do that your Fire Stick can is sideloading Android apps. There are many legal apps that can really enhance your experience on your TV. Another major difference, and this is a personal thing, is the operating system. Roku OS is much simpler, it really looks like a smartphone, while the Fire OS is bloated with ads. And the final point I would like to discuss is the Wi-Fi. Roku still has Wi-Fi 5, while the Fire Stick has upgraded to Wi-Fi 6, which should give you better stability and range. Which one of these would you choose and why? Please leave me a comment right below. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. See you in the next one.